Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Changkuoth Nyak. In today's top stories, Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel traveled to Abu Dhabi with message from President Salva Kiir Mayardit. Vice President Dr. Benjamin Bolmel left Juba on Tuesday afternoon for an official visit to Abu Dhabi, the capital city of the United Arab Emirates. He is carrying a special message from the President Salva Kiir Mayardit. The message will be given to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, President of the United Arab Emirates and ruler of Abu Dhabi, through His Highness Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed, Vice President of the United Arab Emirates and Deputy Prime Minister. Dr. Benjamin Bolmel is traveling with senior government officials from key office. As the head of the economic cluster, he will meet United Arab Emirates leader to discuss ways to strengthen economic and diplomatic relations between the two countries. According to his office, the visit focuses on expanding cooperation, attracting investment, and creating opportunities to improve the life of South Sudanese people. Before leaving Juba, Dr. Benjamin Bolmel, the Vice President, said President Kiir is committed to building a strong relation with countries that share the goal of peace, prosperity, and sustainable development. This partnership will help bring more investment, create jobs, and grow the economy, making sure every citizen can have a better future, he said. Another top stories. Israel is in talk with South Sudan about relocating Palestinians from Gaza. Israel is talking with South Sudan about the idea of moving some Palestinians from Gaza to South Sudan. Gaza has been badly damaged after a long conflict between Israel and Hamas. 6 people familiar with the matter told AP news agency that discussions have taken place, but it is not clear how far the talk have gone. Israel Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said he wants to follow a plan from former US President Donald Trump to allow people from Gaza to move voluntarily. Israel has also discussed similar idea with Sudan and Somalia. Many Palestinian human rights groups and countries around the world have rejected the plan. They said it could result in people being forced to leave their home, which would go against international law. Israel Foreign Minister has not commented, and South Sudan Foreign Minister has not responded to question. The U.S. State Department said it does not comment on private diplomatic talk. A Joe who worked with South Sudan in U.S. says South Sudan official informed him about the talk. He said an Israel team may visit South Sudan to explore the idea of building temporary camp for Palestinians. There is no date yet for the visit, but Israel might fund the camp. Edmund Yakani, who leads a South Sudanese civil society group, also confirmed that he discussed the talk with South Sudanese officials. 4 other officials familiar with the matter also confirmed the discussion on condition of anonymity. 2 Egyptian officials told AP News they have known for months about Israel's effort to find a country willing to take Palestinians, including South Sudan. They say Egypt has been advising South Sudan not to accept the relocation plan, as Egyptian is concerned about the impact on the region. Many Palestinians said they would like to leave Gaza temporarily because of the war and food shortage. However, most want to return once the conflict is over. They are concerned that living permanently could prevent them from going back to their homeland. South Sudan is facing challenges of its own. The country has been recovering from a civil war that killed many people and left part of the nation in hunger and poverty. It relies on international aid to keep its 11 million citizens, and a peace deal reached years ago remained fragile. Yakani said any decision to accept people should be based on a clear agreement, such as knowing who will come and how long they will stay. He also said the decision should be made in a way that support peace and stability in the country. This is a developing story, and for more information, please I would like you to help me by subscribing to my YouTube channel. In case any new update come in, you will be sure to get it. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.